इन गोवा बातमीपत्रात आपलं पुन्हा एकदा स्वागत. वेर्ना औद्योगिक वसाहतीत रस्ते, वीज व पाण्यासारख्या मूलभूत सुविधांसाठी संघर्ष करावा लागत असल्याची खंत वेर्ना इंडस्ट्रीज असोसिएशनचे अध्यक्ष प्रदीप दा कोस्टा यांनी व्यक्त केली. सरकारकडे वारंवार ही समस्या सोडवण्यासाठी मागणी करण्यात आली आहे, मात्र त्याकडे दुर्लक्ष केले जात असल्याचं ते म्हणाले.
Now, electricity is this when before the new government came, when the new minister came into this, I had given a letter to the chief secretary, the electrical secretary, power secretary, as well as the chief engineer, explaining the condition of our substation at Verna. Now that Verna substation caters not only to Verna Industrial Estate but the whole of Manvagova Taluka, and the problem is the infrastructure is nearly 20 years old. So it is hardly operating at 80% efficiency, and it is used 100%. So what happens is any new construction, whether it is domestic, where if you see Vasco area, a lot of heavy construction is happening, domestic, so their power requirement will be there. Now industry, the SEZ lands are being allocated, so more power is required. Where is that going to come from? The infrastructure is not available. This existing one itself is below standard. So they were supposed to get a new this transformer, 60 kVA or 160 kVA, which nothing has happened. It's not SEZ, but SEZs are now being opened up for auction for new industry to come up, which is very good. The intention seems very right because it will generate huge employment. But the problem is, if you see, like I just mentioned to you, electricity, water, and this is a big shortage problem, especially electricity. Now, without electricity, how are those guys going to start? Because ideally, the government should have started with a substation to cater to that areas which are opening up, so that by the time they start within 1 year or 2 years, they have electricity. Now they're going to have the land, they're going to start construction, but no electricity. So again, employment is going to get deferred. So it's going to be a catch-22 situation.
Transparency, have the portals gone online or permissions are easy?
That is a different issue that actually GSI is taking up regarding automation of the portal, so ease of doing business. Yes, some of them have gone online, but problem is they have entrusted it all to Goa GL, and unfortunately they're not really very professional. I don't think it's a government intention, but it's a GEL being not very efficient in their working. Our requests have not changed because for the last maybe 2-3 years or 4 years the issues are the same. First of all is the basic infrastructure, that is water, roads and electricity. Is the first thing that we are struggling with, and we are still struggling with. So these are the first major infrastructure issues that we are struggling with, which the government had assured, but till date nothing really has happened.
किमान वेतन सुधारण्याबाबत राज्य सरकारने फेरविचार करावा अशी सूचना दामोदर कोचकर यांनी केली. या संदर्भातील निवेदन राज्य सरकारकडे सुपूर्द करण्यात आले आहे.
Shell out more than 100 crores by way of compensating this contractual labor, because since many years they have not paid them ESI and PF. So considering this and also the rise what they propose, it will be very difficult for government also, and we will see that we take a step that government also implement this. And I also want labor union leaders also to look into this. They should not go only after the industries who are genuinely following all the rules in the state. They have to also see whether government is abiding by these minimum wages. Are they paying ESI and PF? This is very important. And because if the rate is increased suddenly, my main worry is that the smaller units which are doing the job work, labor intensive work, which are employing lot of Goan laborers in the rural area and other places like Keju, these supplying components to the bigger industries, they will lose their contracts and they will move out of the state, wherein there will be rise in the unemployment also. So I suggest that government doesn't take any hasty decision in this case. Take a very cautious and a balanced thing. Whatever rate we suggested as an industries association is a very fair deal, which has been calculated based on the detailed study. If government is having any doubt regarding that, they should call us and we should talk face to face. It should not take any hasty decision. Thank you very much.
शिरगाव येथे महिलेची सोनसाखळी हिसकावून नेत असल्याच्या संशयावरून स्थानिकांनी एकाला बेदम चोप देऊन पोलिसांच्या स्वाधीन केले.
काट पैसे सगळे
पोलिसांनी सगळे घे.
एक पैसे धरून राहिले 2 रुपये
50,000 लाके दे. हाँ बोला था उसको, बोला
ना कर.
वो ऐसा मत कर, ये लेके जा, बाद में बेच और कितना आता है उतना ले. 50,000 का बिल देता है तेरे को.
फोटो का गेले नागो लोक.
अरे तू चांदी लिप करता ना, चांदी कर मरे, त्याची गळ्याला हात घालपाची गरज ना, चांगला आहे
माझ्या ते नाची गळ्यातली काढला
तोडून काढल्या
मागी ते ह्याला ते किती तरी हाडला ते आणि चांगला लाव नका म्हणून तरी लायला.
किती केली
ती तोडली दोघी, ती गळ्यान आणली होतही आणली
भांगरूच ना बघ कशी गेली.
आणि सगळे ओतले थंयसर ते पळय. आता त्याका धरतले न्हू म्हणून सगळे ओतले. म्हाका म्हणे ओ तेरे कोय दे का खंय.
गोल्डाची तुझी
हो
ते पोय मरे किती केली त्याने ओळखी.
सीधा ट्रेन से आ रहे, सीधा ट्रेन से आ रहे.
ये बरस मारन
हाँ, बाद में उसको क्यों
मैंने
बोला?
बोला था उसका हाथ नहीं है का.
पुलिस को तुमको बोला नहीं आंटी क्या बोला टूटेगा तुम्हारा ये गुस्सा.
अरे मैंने बोला था हाथ नहीं लगाने का.
देने के लिए मैं बरस मारा. क्यों मारा?
मैंने
बोला तेरे को बोला उसने करने को पुलिस को बोला उसने.
अरे आम्ही सांगूच ना नू.
बोला उसने उसको तेरे को बोला पुलिस करने को बोला. हाँ त्याच्या गळ्यांची काढून घेतल्या. भांगा रे तिने करून उडायला पाहिजे.
उडके गेले सगळे.